Hi, I'm going to introduce you to the new planks that we just received from the carpet tiles in the range of the other planks. So as you can see here, that's a new Petal Charcoal Classic planks, which is like a dark color in the way of charcoal. So the good thing with these ones here, you can't see the joints as much as the other carpet tiles. So the planks is quite good in the way of doing different type of designs, so you can actually make patterns like herringbone and so forth. At the moment we're selling this at $25 per square meter, so it's a very good price for what it can do. As you can look at these patterns here, there's hardly can see the joints, so when you put it all together it's like a one whole carpet laid instead of like tiles or planks. So it's made out of PET material, so it's quite hard wearing, so you can use it for office use or even home if you're actually happy with these ones in residential places. So yeah, just come by and come and have a look and just see what's the other stuff we've got here also. Thank you. We're located in 3 to 9 Cook Road, Marrickville, and our contact number is 9519-8785. Or you can actually reach us via email in info@carpettiles1.com.au.